Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica, and for this video I will have another Revolve beauty box. This time it's Camila'S beauty edit. Her name is actually Camila Coelho. Probably I'm not saying right, and she is a really beautiful girl. She has her own channel here on YouTube. If you wanna check her, she does great unboxings, PR unboxing, and just looking at her, it's nice. So here is her curated box. Is this one, and let's see what are her preferences. She has also her own unboxing for this box. It comes in the Revolve beauty box, which is reusable, a great box. And this time we have a red paper with the Revolve print. And let's see what are Camila'S favorite products. And the first item I see here, all of them are full size. The first time it's a highlight and perfect multi-purpose stick. This one is Face Visage from Tristic, is this one. And this one is in the shade Maldives Luminescent. Look at this huge guy. I used to get this in a deluxe sample, and I wanna say that one lasts a lot. I can't imagine how long is gonna last this one. Also the lid has the magnet, so there is no way to broke this, or it's a great packaging. And here is the product. It's a gold rose color, I would say. I like this one, it's beautiful. So here is the full size from Tristic. And also there is here, I have no idea what's this. Looks like a sponge. Oh, actually it says here this one is an applicator. I don't know. Anyway, I'll read more about this one, because as I said, we don't have any information how to use the products. If you check the Revolve website, you'll find them, but in the box I have just the paper with the ingredients. So is this one. A great product in the box. Then we have this Stila Smudge Pot waterproof gel eyeliner in a full size, and the shade is black. Here is the pot. I'm not gonna open it because usually they get dry very easy. A Stila product. Then we have Smith & Coult Book of Sun blush and bronzer, is this one. And I have to say that I love the packaging of this. It looks like it was bombed everywhere, but it's really nice. All the products from Smith and Coult has this design, which is really nice. This one is Book of Sun chapter 1, and let's see how this one looks. We get in here an bronzer and a blush. Let's try to see how those two looks. Here are the shades, and they look like this. So another full-size product. Love the packaging. Then I see two brushes in here, and those are the very well-known Luxie brushes. One is Luxie 504 large angle, and the other one is 205. It's a blending brush. So the two of them. We have also another Stila product, a full size. This is Mile High Lashes. Looks like this, and I'm gonna show you the wand of this. Here is the wand. We have another Stila product. This is Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick, another full size, and this is in the shade Caramello. And I'm gonna show you this one. Here is the shade of this one. It's a lovely shade, and very creamy. Let's see, do we have something more? I think this is all. Lots of this. You never know with those boxes. So no, actually I'm wrong. There is one more product in here. I need to remove all of those. And this one is a Edward Beast product. It's a lipstick, ultra sleek lipstick, which looks like this. A brand that comes in most of the boxes from Revolve. It's Naked Blossom. Here is the packaging. And here is the color of this, very similar with, no, actually it's more light, is this one. I hope you can see. Another full-size product. So I think this one is the last one in here. And a ton of those. So far we have this Edward Bliss lipstick. This one, we have 3 Stila products. One of this is Stila Jet Black mascara. We have Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick in Caramello. We have Stila Smudge Pot Waterproof Gel Liner. We have 2 Luxie brushes. We have the 3 stick in full size highlighter, and we have the blush and the bronzer from Smith & Coult. So far this is all in this box. Lovely brands in here as Stila, Smith & Coult, and also the 3 stick looks very nice. So this is all in this box. Let me know what do you think about this one. If you saw the other ones that I have on my channel, if I don't have all of them, I will. Let me know which box is your favorite from those boxes from the Revolve. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon. You have a great day. Bye bye.